I'm Paul Huizinga, hanging out here at the PRI show with my friend Chris from ARP, and we're talking about LS engines. Now, ARP has always had a really good selection of fasteners for this engine family, but you keep expanding it with more problem solvers all the time, some of which we're seeing here on this engine, right?
Yeah, we've added in the last year here, we've added fan spacer, bolt kits, stud kits, stainless and black chromoly, hex or 12-point. We've got people add the aftermarket rocker arm kits to these engines. They have to use a spacer and a valve cover, so we've got the valve cover spacer bolt kits. Same thing, stainless and chromoly, hex and 12-point.
Now, one thing that really pops on this engine is you've got a lot of black finish, and then you've got these highly polished stainless fasteners on here. Really looks terrific.
Yeah, it's a nice contrast, and it really stands out with the black. You can get a nice billet front drive for these engines from several manufacturers, and the hardware really complements it.
So now, overall, how many different product lines do you have for this particular engine family? There's got to be at least 100, right?
Oh yeah. There's everything from if you had an aftermarket flywheel spacer, you need the longer flywheel bolts, flex plate bolts. We came out with a stainless polished head bolt for the engine now.
Even if there's something that isn't part of a kit, though, it's very easy to source specialty fasteners if you've got some strange one-off that you're for the LS that you're building as well.
Yes, we offer 5 packs in the back of our catalog, and we have that in 6, 8, 10, and 12 millimeter, 5 millimeter lengths. We also have standard fasteners in 10, 32, 10, 24, quarter inch, 5/16, 3/8, 7/16, half inch, and those are all available in stainless or chromoly.
So now, where do you get the ideas for new things that you're going to add to the LS offerings in your catalog? Is this something that's driven by requests from customers or internal research? What makes that happen?
We have a great R&D department, but mainly when people call in, they tell us what they want. They send us in an email info to our info site, and they're requesting some kind of a new kit. And then once we get started, we bring in the engine complete, and then we just start making parts for it.
And the best thing about this is that even though these fasteners are like show quality, really beautiful fasteners, they're as strong as anything else you make.
Oh yeah, they're 170,000 PSI minimum. They're manufactured in Ventura, California. Everything we do is made here in the U.S.
Now, where can people go to find out more information about fasteners for the LS or any of the fasteners you guys manufacture?
You can go to arp-bolts.com.
Well, thank you so much for your time. You keep it right here. There's a whole bunch more from the show coming right at you.